And welcome back to the channel. Glad to have you here. I hope you guys are all well. I felt the need to make this video in order to address the issue of using natural ingredients, combinations of sprays, combinations of DIYs, putting it on your hair in order to grow long and thick hair. And there's been videos out there where they claim that certain natural combination of natural ingredients such as star anise, cloves and aloe vera, when you put it in a spray bottle or when you put it in a sort of kind of a brew or a tea, you put it on your hair in order to grow long and thick hair, and they claim that you should not rinse it out. Is this the right thing to do or not? It's actually really not recommended to leave any type of product, whether natural or not, and not rinsing it off your hair and just leaving it like that. So the video was claiming that it was a mixture of star anise, cloves and aloe vera, which are all natural ingredients, to be put in the hair without rinsing it out. This is the mistake right there. Some people believe that leaving certain ingredients in the hair can actually promote hair growth. This is not scientific evidence to support this claim. Also, most importantly, just the whole factor of not rinsing it out and just leaving it as it is, because it's brewed star anise, cloves and aloe vera, leaving it for days and not rinsing it out is just quite harmful to the hair itself, because rather than promoting hair growth, it can actually lead to problems in the hair. It can lead to buildup, it can possibly cause irritation and also damage to the scalp and hair. So I want you to be very mindful not to follow any recipe that you find online that claims these things like that. Use your common sense. Always when you are using any natural recipe, there also needs to be a time frame for it. There needs to be, for example, with sprays, you might leave it on for about 30 minutes, an hour maximum. I wouldn't even leave it overnight as well. And then wash it off, and wash it off thoroughly using shampoo. Make sure that any buildup is removed from your scalp. Also avoid certain recipes, because we all have different hair types. Some people with specific hair types do well with creams and lotions and masks on the scalp, and some people do very well with that, and some people do very horrible with these kind of recipes. They don't cope very well. Their hair and their scalp are different. They don't cope very well, and it leads to a lot of problems with excessive dandruff, with buildup, with hair loss as well. A lot of people complain of hair loss after using a specific mask, whether that was an avocado and banana mask on the hair, applying it on their scalp, wearing a hair kind of plastic sheet on there, or wrapping it with plastic paper and then leaving it overnight. Once they get up, they have problems with hair loss and so forth. So I've made this video in order for you to be really mindful not to follow any recipe out there, and also never to follow any recipe that claims to not rinse out any sort of ingredient, even if it was natural. So it's really important to follow proper hair care practices, which means washing and rinsing your hair regularly to remove excess oils and product buildup. Additionally, also having a healthy diet and good overall health really does contribute to healthy hair growth. There are specific oils that promote healthy hair growth, such as using rosemary essential oil sprays, and also rinsing them off afterwards, leaving it for possibly 30 minutes, 20 minutes before your shower, and then rinsing it off afterwards. You can use peppermint essential oil, you can use clove essential oil, but always be mindful when you are using essential oils to dilute them with other oils as well, and then using it on the hair. So if you are interested in promoting your hair growth and you do have hair loss, it's also really important to see what the reason for the hair loss is at first. Is it because of an iron deficiency? Is it something internal? Is it something external? Does it have to do with the habits that you are taking and doing, not getting enough sleep, not eating specific foods that are rich in specific minerals such as B vitamins and iron? Because all this plays a big factor. So stay safe, stay aware, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care and have a great day. Bye bye.